This has been one of my most stressful recipes, y'all.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and today we're gonna attempt Chicago style deep dish pizza. Alright guys, so before we actually begin, I gotta take you back to yesterday when I made the crust, cause it was too much for me. Don't ask me to bake no more, y'all. It's stressful. I hate baking. Roll the footage. Okay, so let's start off with 1 1/4 cup of warm water. All I did was use the sink water. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of sugar, then 1 tablespoon of salt. We're gonna do 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Then we're gonna wait for 10 minutes. Let it sit. All right, it's been 10 minutes. All right, now we're gonna do a level, guys. This is baking, so you have to be precise. A level 3 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I was very nervous. I don't like baking. I'm sorry, I gotta keep telling y'all that. Let's do a 3/4 a cup of cornmeal. So I use 2 different measuring cups because for whatever reason, 3/4 a cup does not exist. So recipe in the description box, of course, guys. Here I am now kneading because this is fun. I think I kneaded this for like 5 minutes and I was like, oh, it's not looking right, but I kept going. Here I am doing a tablespoon of oil, but I actually ended up doing 2 tablespoons of oil, but my camera cut off. But I'm telling you guys, 2 tablespoons of oil. Then you gotta knead again. It's a process. You gotta just give it some love. Like, look, ooh, yes, knead it good. So here's the ball I wound up with. I was gonna put it back in this clean bowl. I'm showing you guys how round it is. Yes, pat it, mark it with a B. What are you doing, Erin? Put it in the bowl. Now we're gonna put some oil on it, and I am going to leave this bad boy overnight because it was really late at night. Like I said before, my friend was over talking to me. Now I don't recommend using this damp towel. Look at this hole I left right there. Don't do that, guys. It let air in, and this thing was harder than rock the next day. It is the next day, and when I woke up, this little dough ball was hard as a rock. So I'm panicking. I had to run to the store to get some more cornmeal and some more instant yeast, and now I came back and it's pliable. So let's continue.
Y'all better make this recipe, and I'm not even, if it works, you better
send me pictures. Just like the professionals do, let's put a little flour on the surface. I don't know how much. That looked like what they do on TV. We're gonna do this again. Ugh. I want to add a little Italian seasoning on top of there too. I don't know if that's gonna ruin it, but yeah. Okay, I think this is where we should get the rolling pin out. Okay, at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 475. I'm not done, but I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven. Gonna lightly grease our pan here. All right, let me go wash the excess off of my hands. Let's take our dough and press it inside. Okay, fits perfectly on the bottom, but I want some to kind of come up for obvious reasons. That is pretty much what we're looking like. I've seen other people poke holes, so I'm gonna poke holes too. All right, let's start off with some sausage. My favorite tomato sauce. Some beefless crumbles. Cheese time. You know what, whole package. More sauce. And top it with some vegan Parmesan. This is obviously optional. All right, as soon as the oven is done preheating, it goes in there for 20 minutes. Y'all, I gotta figure out a way. I left out my pepper and onions. Oh, I gotta figure out how to, hold on. Well, wow. Just trying to dig under here. kind of mix it in where I would have put the, really at the bottom with the sausage. It was so pretty, y'all. I'm gonna try to save it with more Parmesan. Whole package. You see my crust, a little thinner. I want it to come all the way up here, but you know what? It's okay, it's homemade. You don't have to look like, you know, the store per se. Okay, can we get this out? Come on, I see you want to cut. Okay, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Oh, get it. Oh, do we got any cheese pool? No, we ain't got no cheese pool. Vegan cheese. Okay, that don't look half bad. It is time. Was that offensive? I didn't mean no offense. I'm so sorry. It's good. The crust is good too. The crust is good too. Let me get a little piece of the crust over here. It tastes good. It does. Of course, it's crunchy. We punched it. I'm so happy. When I tested this recipe yesterday, I cheated and did my crust underneath. I did not have any cornmeal. That made a lot of difference. And I put a Walmart crust around it so I could make sure it rose up. I'll insert some footage. So if you would want your crust to come all the way up here, then I would just take some store-made crust, pull it apart, and place it around your pizza before you bake it. We did it. There we go. Y'all see that? It would have just been so pretty had we not had to rearrange the pizza. It would have been a really pretty pizza, but I'm getting full already. I can't finish this. Oh, I'm gonna finish this. Okay. It is the next day, guys. I have been waiting to have my friend on my channel. This is. What is your name?
Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. I thought you were interested in me. I'm fine. I'm Steve.
I saw that. Okay, perfect. This is next day pizza, like I just said, John. So we hope it's good. But it's reheated in the oven, though. Oven reheated. Okay. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna have it too. I already ate it.
So hungry.
Oh, and we got some Just Ranch to dip in there, just
to make it real.
Ooh, but don't dip yet, though. You gotta try without the dip. Oh, the crust looks pretty the next day. It held up real nice. Can y'all get a piece of that? Wait, hold on. Let me let it focus before you eat it. Oh, get a piece of that.
Yeah.
Look at that crust.
Hallelujah.
Oh. All right.
Cheers.
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 Definitely still cold.
Low bit.
A little bit cold.
In the middle. Center. I went for second, so it's just good. Sorry.
What's in there? Okay, so you got peppers and onions.
Hallelujah.
You have vegan sausage, vegan mozzarella, and vegan Parmesan.
Let me tell y'all how much I love this girl.
Listen.
I'm allergic to onions and peppers.
Oh no!
But I'm not gonna die. I just won't be able to eat for the next 2, 3, 4 hours.
Oh
No. I saw the onion.
no! Okay, you thought you were warned. Okay.
But I drove in here in the rain. I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna eat this.
Oh my gosh. And the ranch. Oh my gosh, the ranch makes it.
Oh my gosh. Even without the ranch, it's still good. Get my other slice ready.
Listen.
Oh, and I'm definitely not a vegan. Hallelujah.
Okay, we're gonna get one more slice. I'm skinny. I'm not eating no more of this. Bye, y'all.
Oh my God.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.